Want to play GTA Online, but don't have a PlayStation Plus subscription? In 2025, there's still 3 legit ways to play GTA Online for free. No hacks, no tricks, just simple methods that work. Stay tuned till the end, and I'll share a bonus tip to help you play for free longer. Method 1. PlayStation Free Multiplayer Weekends. The easiest way to play GTA Online without PS Plus is through PlayStation's free multiplayer weekends. Sony occasionally allows free multiplayer access for a limited time, usually during major holidays or game releases. To check if a free multiplayer weekend is available, go to the PlayStation Store or follow PlayStation's official Twitter account for updates. These events usually happen during big occasions like Black Friday, Christmas, or major game launches. So if you time it right, you can enjoy GTA Online without spending a single dollar. Method 2. Free PlayStation Plus trial. The second method is to use the PlayStation Plus free trial. If you're creating a new PlayStation account, you can activate a 14-day free PS Plus trial directly from the PlayStation Store. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Create a new PlayStation account on your PS4 or PS5. 2. Go to the PlayStation Store and find the 14-day free PS Plus trial. 3. Activate the trial and start playing GTA Online immediately. Here's a bonus tip. If you create multiple accounts, you can extend your free trial by switching accounts every 2 weeks and continuing to play for free. Method 3. Game share with a friend. The third method is to game share with a friend who has PS Plus. Game sharing allows you to use someone else's PlayStation Plus subscription without paying for it yourself. Here's how to set it up. 1. Have your friend log into their PSN account on your PlayStation. 2. Go to Settings, then Account Management, and select Activate as primary PS4. 3. Once it's activated, you will have access to their PS Plus benefits, meaning you can play GTA Online for free. Just make sure you trust your friend, since this also gives you access to their game library and vice versa. Bonus tip: Cloud gaming services. If none of these methods work, you can also try cloud gaming services like Boosteroid or GeForce Now. Some platforms allow you to stream GTA Online without needing a PlayStation Plus subscription. They may charge a small monthly fee, but it's still cheaper than paying for PS Plus all year. Which method worked best for you? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more GTA tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Los Santos.